Thanks for taking the time today to watch the introduction of our new 8000 series Bourgault air seeder for 2021. This new 8000 series air seeder is the replacement for our 6000 series. The 6000 series being a staple for Bourgault Industries for many, many years. I believe it was back in 2005 we launched the 6000 series. So let's talk a little bit about the 8000. So there's 3 bushel size capacities available to you. A 350, a 450, and a 550. And those 3 sizes are available either in a leading configuration or in a tow behind configuration. So let's talk about an important feature on the 8000 series, and that's the connect system. So on a 350 bushel size tank, you have 3 compartments, and the percentage of volume of the tanks is 40%, 20%, and 40% going from the front to the back. On the 450 and 550 bushel sizes, both in the leading and tow behind, we have a 30, 20, 20, 30 tank split. Now I'm talking about the tank splits on the main tank itself, excluding the saddle tank. So like we've done for many years on our air seeders, we offer a wide range of tires and optional tires. So I'd just like to start off to tell you about the way this 8550 is equipped. It has the 28L by 26 tires on the front and the 650 75 R34 duals on the back, which would be a pretty common tire offering. And with that tire offering, we're at a 17 PSI rating on the front tire and a 15 PSI rating on the back. And of course, that's fully loaded. But if compaction is a concern, you can get that down to as low as 12 PSI on the front and back if you take the 750/60 R30 on the front and the 865 R32 duals on the back. So on this particular 8550, we've equipped it with the saddle tank option. So the saddle tank's available on both the 8450 and the 8550 models in both leading and tow behind. It sure gives you a lot of flexibility when you're putting on products like micronutrients, inoculant, canola seed. If you want to fill your saddle tank using bags, you can back up with your half-ton, pour the bags in by hand. If you want to use another loader system and use bulk bags, that's available to you as well, of course. The saddle tank is a 20 bushel size and just gives you a lot more versatility with the rest of your tank. So for 2021, we've incorporated a safety latch into all of our lids on our air seeders. What that does is if you happen by mistake to open the lid under pressure, it prevents the lid from flying open on you. So it's literally a matter of sliding the handle to the side and then opening your lid. So a real nice safety feature we've incorporated into our tanks. One more thing I'll point out on the saddle tank, we do have a screen inside to prevent debris from getting down in your tank, tags on bags and those kind of things. So this is the first time Bourgault Industries has offered the ASC option on our smaller series of tanks. The ASC option is available only on the 8550 tow behind model, but it's available on all 3 sizes in the leading configuration. That same dependable, reliable ASC system that we've used for years on our 7000 series air seeders, same reliability, same dependability tied in with the Topcon X35 will give you, the operator, the chance to save a lot of money in input costs. So we definitely can't forget to talk about the heart of this air seeder, the metering system. This metering system is the very same system we've used for 8 seasons on our 7000 series. It's the PDM Pro metering auger. On the PDM Pro series metering auger, you get hydraulic variable rate control of your metering auger and your rates. So very compatible with variable rate maps, varying your rates on the fly as well. Of course, it's used in conjunction with your ASC option. So just like all of our metering systems, we still give you the ability to drop that tank's product into either the seed line or the fertilizer line in a matter of seconds. For years, we've offered the best-in-class clean out, and that's no different with the PDM Pro metering auger. To clean your tank out and change products, it's as simple as loosening off these 2 wing nuts, draining into your auger, back into your truck, and you're good to go. So let's talk about the 8000 series load-on-load auger features and options. So on the 8350 in both the leading and in the tow behind configuration, the the 8-inch standard auger is available. On the 8450 and 8550 leading and tow behind tanks, we have two auger options available. The 10-inch manual adjust auger or the 10-inch deluxe. On the 10-inch deluxe auger, like you see here on the 8550, the hopper will fold down and fit under the lowest of your trailers that are out there on the market, and it's also full hydraulic adjust. The 8000 series air seeder comes with two controller options, ISO or TopCon X35. If you go with the ISO option, you need a VT terminal in your cab. The ISO option gives you the ability of manual rate adjustments, gives you the ability to calibrate, of course, monitoring of tank levels, shaft speeds, just like any monitor system you've had in the past. So with the X35 controller on the 8000 series, you're going to have full VR capability, you're going to have sectional control, as well as the extend feature, which allows you to do your calibrations right down at the tank, along with that remote support. So in summary today, you can see the 8000 series will fit a lot of needs for farmers out there, whether you're the mid-size farmer or the large acre farmer utilizing anhydrous or liquid fertilizer. This tank has a lot of standard features going for it. PDM Pro augers, lots of tire offerings. We have saddle tanks, we have ASC. Really, this is a mid-range tank with best-in-class features. So for more information, please check out your local Bourgault dealer today.